Friends, now let us understand the symmetry point group of the molecule by using molecular model. Okay, uh, so the molecules are classified on the basis of symmetry element present into the different types of the point group, and the first very important type of the point group is the non-axial point group or low symmetry point group. So these are the molecule having no, it does not have any proper axis of rotation, right? So let us see some examples of the molecule. So this is the molecule, it's a thionyl chlorobromide, right? That is SOClBr. So this is the sulfur atom which is pi bonded with the oxygen atom. This is the Cl and this is Br. Okay, so it's a thionyl chlorobromide. Now for this molecule, it does not have any proper axis of rotation, right? One cannot get any type of the axis of symmetry or plane of symmetry for this molecule, right? Since both are the different atom here, one cannot imagine a plane which is bisecting the molecule. Okay, so this type of the molecule does not have any symmetry except identity E. Okay, so such type of the molecule can be identified by the symbol C1 point group. Okay, so now let us see the another example of the molecule. This is the another molecule. It's a bromochlorotrifluoromethane, right? So this is the bromo Br. This is the fluorine atom connected with the carbon, and this is the hydrogen atom connected with the carbon atom. Okay, so it's a bromochlorofluoromethane. Now for this molecule, right, this is the chiral carbon. Since this carbon is connected with the four different kind of the group, this is the bromine, this is the halogen Cl, this is the fluorine, and this is the another group, that is the CH3 group. Okay, so this type of the molecule having the chiral carbon or asymmetric carbon, so for this molecule one cannot have any other symmetry element except identity E. So the point group of the molecule is C1 point group. Okay, so it's a C1 type point group of the molecule. So these are the examples of molecule with C1 point group of the molecule. So here the order of axis is 1, means the molecule is rotated by 360 degree, right? Gives the original orientation of the molecule, which is nothing but identity E. So the molecule having only identity E, all other symmetry elements are absent, then one can assign as C1 point group of the molecule. Okay, now let us see the another example. This is the molecule, this is the chlorobromoethylene. Okay, so this is the chlorobromoethylene. So 1 chloro 2 bromoethylene molecule. Now for this molecule, right, molecule one can have only the plane of symmetry. Okay, so the molecule is the planar molecule, and the molecule is lying in a plane. Okay, so all the atoms of the molecule are in a plane, so the molecule having only the plane of symmetry, all other symmetry elements are absent, so one can assign as CS point group. So the molecule which having only the plane of symmetry and identity E, all other symmetry elements are absent, then one can assign as the CS point group of the molecule. Okay, so this is one of the now here this is the example of the another molecule. It is 1 2, let's say, let us rearrange the molecule. Okay, so it's a 1 2 dibromo 1,2-dibromo dichloroethane. Okay, so it's a 1,2-dibromo dichloroethane. Now for this molecule, one can have only the plane of the symmetries here, right? So this is the molecule. The molecule, it does not have any plane of the symmetry, it does not have any axis of symmetry, it has only the center of symmetry. If you look at here, right, if you perform the symmetry operation, the molecule having the center of symmetry or center of inversion, and all other symmetry elements are absent, then one can assign as the Ci type point group. Okay, so again, if the molecule having only the identity E, right, for example some of the chiral molecule which having the chiral carbon or asymmetric carbon, right, belongs to the C1 type point group. So only identity E is present, and the molecule which having only the plane of symmetry and identity E, then one can assign as CS point group. And if the molecule having center of inversion and identity E, then one can assign as the Ci type point group. Okay, so this is these are the examples of the molecule with C1, CS and Ci point group. Okay, now let us take some more example to understand the C and V type point group. Okay, so C and V type point group, so the molecule which having only one of the proper axis of rotation and n numbers of vertical plane of symmetry, then molecule can be assigned as the C and V type point group, right? So here if the molecule having C n proper axis of rotation and n number of vertical planes are present, then it can be identified by the C and V type point group. For example, water molecule, if you take the water molecule here, the water molecule having one of the C2 axis of symmetry, so this axis is passing through the oxygen atom. Okay, and it has the two plane, vertical plane, that is sigma V xz and sigma V yz. Okay, and both the planes are mutually perpendicular to each other, passing through the principal axis, so both are the vertical plane. So the molecule the point group of the molecule becomes C2V type point group, right, since it has one of the C2 axis and two vertical plane of symmetry, right? So one can assign as the C2V type point group. And the symmetry elements are identity E, C2 and 2 vertical mirror plane of symmetry. Okay, now let us take another example. This is the example of 1,2-difluoroethylene, cis 1,2-difluoroethylene. Okay, now for this molecule one can have the C2 axis is passing through the center of the molecule. Okay, so this is the C2 axis of symmetry, so one can rotate the molecule about 180 degree with respect to this axis, and the molecule having the two vertical plane of the symmetry. So this is the first vertical plane which is bisecting the molecule and passing through the principal axis, and this is the another vertical plane, this is the molecular plane. Okay, and both the planes are passing through the principal axis. So the molecule having one of the C2 proper axis of rotation and two vertical plane of symmetry, so the point group of the molecule becomes C2V, and the symmetry elements are identity E, C2 and two vertical mirror plane of symmetry. Okay, now let us take one more example. This is the molecule 1,1-difluoroethylene. Okay, so it's a 1,1-difluoroethylene. Now for this molecule one can have the C2 axis of symmetry here, right? So this C2 axis which is bisecting this two fluorine atom and two hydrogen atom, right? So it's a passing through both the carbon atom of the molecule. So if we rotate the molecule about 180 degree, it results in distinguishable orientation. Okay, now this molecule having one of the plane, it's bisecting the molecule into equal parts, right, and passing through the principal axis, and the another plane, this is the another plane, it's a molecular plane. Okay, so both the planes are passing through the principal axis. So the molecule having one of the C2 axis and two vertical plane of symmetry, so the point group of the molecule becomes C2b. So you can have you can find out the lots of example of the molecule belong to C and V type point group. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful to understand the symmetry point group of the molecule.